Hey, if Bardeen AI is not detecting website data, yeah, that can completely break your automation workflow, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, refresh the website you're trying to scrape. Sometimes the page just doesn't load properly and Bardeen can't detect the elements. Now, not every website works perfectly with Bardeen. Some sites use dynamic content or heavy scripts, which can block data detection. So, instead of auto-detect, try selecting the data manually. Open Bardeen, use the scraper tool, and click directly on the data you want to extract. This one is important. Make sure you scroll through the entire page. Some content only loads when you scroll, and Bardeen can't detect what isn't visible yet. Next, check if Bardeen has permission to access the site. Go to your extension settings and make sure it's allowed on all sites, or at least the current one. Sometimes, other extensions like ad blockers can interfere with scraping. Try disabling them temporarily and test again. If it's still not detecting data, update Bardeen or reinstall it completely. That can fix bugs or broken features, and that's it. One of these fixes should help Bardeen detect website data again. If not, the site might be blocking scraping entirely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.